The sort function. This function allows you to sort numbers and text A to Z or Z to A. Make sure you don't have any hidden blank rows or columns. This will definitely affect your data and the data won't move with it. I have added in a control column which I will indicate how I use shortly. Let us go and sort salesperson A to Z, and all of the data has now been sorted alphabetically, but you'll see that my control column has changed, which allows me the opportunity to all sort back to the original state by going A to Z, and all the numbers will be back and everything where it started. Let's go and do sales from the highest to the lowest. We'll use Z to A in this case, and we'll have the highest value at the top and the lowest value at the bottom.